Amartya Sen is one of the leading economists of the world. He was born on 3rd November 1933 and he studied at Shanti Niketan. His father, Ashutosh Sen, was a professor of chemistry at Dhaka University. In the year 1998, he received the Nobel Prize. He is the sixth Indian, either by birth or citizenship, to receive the award. He is the author of many specialized economic books. While officially he was a postgraduate student at Cambridge, he was offered the position of a professor and head of economics department at Jadavpur University at Calcutta. He worked there from 1956 to 1958. Then he shifted to Oxford University and worked there for 20 years. Currently he is a professor at Harvard University. He was given the Nobel Prize for his original contribution in advancing economic theories and famines, and he also prepared a chart for income distribution in developing countries. Thank you and have a nice day.